But those people wey dey cook food, if you dey cook food, you dey use paracetamol cook your meat. Why? No, why? Why you dey do am like this? People go talk say, if we use paracetamol cook the meat go soft quick, and e no go burn too much gas. But you no know say this thing wey you dey do, e dey damage our people liver. Yes, very bad. And e dey so painful say people wey dey cook food outside, some of them, some wicked people, dey put paracetamol take cook their meat. And you no know say this thing, when you put am for fire, e go come turn to chemical. This chemical now, when we come chop am inside our belle, liver go come dey spoil. Who know whether na the reason wey make many people now don dey get liver problem up and down. So I wan beg you, I beg, if you dey cook food for people to chop, please do the right thing. Throw away paracetamol. No dey use paracetamol cook again o. And you, yes, you looking at me wey dey do am, stop am, I beg you. And for those of us wey dey eat outside, na God go help us o. Make dem no use paracetamol scatter our liver. Another group of people na those wey dey use bleach take wash their cassava. Dem go talk say dem dey use bleach wash cassava so that make the cassava white and the rest. Help God. You see, God na him know why sicknesses come dey plenty now. Maybe na some of these wicked habits, these bad habits wey people dey do, na im dey make people dey fall sick. Please stop to dey use bleach wash cassava. Bleach na chemical, na harsh chemical wey no suppose to dey enter human being body. As you dey put this thing for human being body, so you dey push them dey enter cancer area. Na im make some people dey fear to dey chop for outside again. So I beg you, if you dey use bleach wash cassava, biko, wo, jo, doanla, s'il vous plaît, stop it and do the right thing. Thank you. Abeg, share this video, make e go far. Make people wey dey do this thing, make dem see am and make dem stop am. Stop it, please. Thank you. Like I always tell you, good life na sense.